Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this really neat bathtub shower seat. This thing is so cool. It's got a lot of different features, and it was so simple to put together. It literally just clicks in. You just put your bee with your bee, it all clicks right in, so if you needed to travel with it, you can easily pull it apart, take it with you. It's got a nice padding on the seats and on the back, and it actually swivels all the way around. So you can move this however you want to have it. It's a 360 swivel just by pulling out on this little button right there. And you can move it very easily with this button to just slide it into the actual tub. So when you get somebody on there, you can just slide it in and out, be able to move it all around. You've got nice padded sides. And there's a little area here that if you wanted to hang a little shower spigot, so that way you can easily grab it, going to be able to do that. So I'm going to get my father-in-law in here and we're going to show you how all of this works so nicely. So it does have these nice handles to help with sitting down. So if you ever had like a surgery or anything like that, you can easily use that. And then they just pull off on this little side button and turn into the shower. And it clicks right in place. They each have a little hole on both sides to be able to click it. Whenever they want to come out, they can easily push the button again, slide back out, and then rotate over here. We pull on the button, get back out, and they are ready to go. So it is a nice seat to be able to use with non-slip bottoms. Not all nice and padded, be great for any bathtub or shower.